Hello to all my beautiful viewers out there. Today we're doing something a little bit different, a first time for this channel as well. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Antisocial Social Club 24Karats collab. Now I know, an unboxing? How crazy is that? Yeah, so for once I was actually able to cop some of the collaborations off of the Antisocial Social Club website. It's wow, it's crazy. So today I will be showing you guys the unboxing of the merch. If you guys don't know, the Antisocial Social Collab with the 24Karats brand, they only dropped one hoodie. That was it. That was all they planned to do. I was really happy with how the hoodie looked. And today we're going to find out if I really think it was worth it all. If it was worth waking up at like, oh god, what was it? It was like 3 a.m. here. It was like 3 or 4 a.m. Oh god, I was so tired, but I set an alarm just to wake up and buy it. Bought it. It took forever to get here, but I'll get into that into the video, you know, as we go forward. If you guys want me to cover more unboxings and definitely cop more merch, give me a like, comment, subscribe, and if you're feeling really nice, share the video. And hopefully in the near future, I'll be able to cop more merch like this, and I'll be able to unbox it and show it to you on the channel as well. So let's get into it, fellas. So I was just complaining about why it took so long, and I actually had to do a little bit of research to find this out. So, Antisocial Social Club products, if they've been released before, whenever they re-release again, you basically can get them as soon as they drop. Like when you buy them, they will be shipped off to you within like 2 days, like something like that. But if you're buying an Antisocial Social Club product that has not been produced before, when you're buying it on the store, and thanks to the Reddit for telling me and helping me out with this, when you buy a product that hasn't been released before, you're essentially buying a slot in what I would say is a reserved amount of slots, and that slot is then reserved to you, and then they go to the company that prints all their hoodies and stuff. They say, we have this many slots, which is this many hoodies and stuff, print this many. Once they print them all, make them all, it's then shipped off to you. So instead of buying the product initially, you're buying the product and a reserved slot to get one, and it has to be, you know, produced and made, and then it gets shipped off to you, which is hence why this took forever, because the 24Karats collab came out a while ago. Actually, I think it's like a month or two. Oh, probably about a month. It wouldn't be 2 months. It'd be about a month ago. Yeah. But either way, I'm just happy that it finally arrived. I got the shipping notification about 2 weeks ago, and living in Australia, the shipping is awful. You probably pay more for the shipping than the product itself in a lot of cases, but this wasn't actually that cheap, so the shipping was not more than the hoodie, thank god. Oh my god, if it was, I would probably wouldn't buy it. But I'm glad I was able to cop it for retail and not resale. But let's open her up and we'll get right into it. Okay, let's dive in. Let's get into this. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. It just popped out straight away. Okay, so we got a Antisocial Social Club box logo sticker. That's pretty cool. It's got like a flannel kind of print on it. I think that's kind of cool, because when a mate of mine got his Antisocial Social Club sticker that came with his order, it was just a blue normal sticker, looked kind of boring, but this is kind of cool. It's a red flannel one, so that's awesome. I don't think I'll put it on anything. I think I'll just keep it off to the side, but here it is here. And also I'll help you guys out with making sure that it's legit. If you're buying one from someone who's already unboxed theirs, you can, you know, check all the things that I say about this, and if it's the same as theirs, you can be pretty safe in assuming that yours will probably be legit as well. So that's it. That's it in the bag. That's all they really gave me. But what it says is Race Team Period Hoodie. I think it's a period hoodie. Period hoodie, 2XL. This was a lot bigger once I took it out of the packet than it was in the packet. This is, yeah, okay. Well, time to open it up. Time to get it open. So it's in a standard plastic bag. You can't really say much about the plastic bag. Let's have... So that is the front. Period correct Team Racing Antisocial Social Club. If I open it up a little bit. Oh god, this is massive. I didn't think a 2XL was going to be this big. Like, I'm wearing a 4XL vintage jacket right now. This is a 2XL. This is massive. Jesus. Okay. Whew. Now, for the back For the back we have this print on it. I think that's pretty cool. It says Antisocial Social Club, 24 Karats, period correct team racing, and rotiform, I think that's what it says, rotiform. Now for the tags and stuff on the inside, on the inside we've got one of these new tags here. Now if you guys haven't heard about these tags, what you do is you download the Antisocial Social Club app, scan the tag, and if the tag comes up as legit, the app will flash up with a warning saying this tag's legit, this is a legitimate product. I think that's an awesome way to do legit checking these days, because major brands are going to struggle to do that with how many fakes are getting released these days. But I think that's a really good future-proof way to do it. Hopefully some faker doesn't crack the code on how to make them, because that would probably ruin the market. But you know what? That's a step in the right direction. That's a really good idea. On the inside, surprisingly, we don't have the 24 Karats logo at all. Yeah, I'm going further and further into the hoodie, so we've just got the standard let's see if I can get that nice and flat for you guys to see. Just the standard new Antisocial Social Club logo. So if the old logo's on this hoodie, then the hoodie isn't legit. It is got the new logo with the circle around it saying, everyone goes away in the end, everybody goes away in the end, made in the United States, 100% cotton. That's a really grim really grim thing to have inside of a hoodie. Thank God it's only on the inside, not on the outside. On the arms we have a number. We have 88 written on the number. Oh, it's hard to get it all. 88, there we go. That's kind of cool. I kind of like that. On the other arm we have, I think it's the 24 karat symbol. God, I wish it was so flattened. It's just like, ugh, it's so flat. There we go. There we go. Gave it a little bit of, oh God, can I show it? There we go. 24K. There it is there. 24 karats. Now, what is it printed on? Because beforehand, the Antisocial Social Club hoodies were printed on independent hoodies. If I open it up, yep. Okay, so the tag, which is on the, if I was to put this on this way, it's on the left side, how do I describe it? The back. So the left side on the back panel, it's got the independent trading company there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's going to be really hard to see. But, and then on the other side of it, it's got PO hashtag 1100-317P style SS4500P. I don't know if that helps you authenticate the ones that you guys buy, but that's it all there. Yeah, well, I'll chuck it on and see how it looks when I put it on then. And bam, it's magic. I've appeared with it on. No, this is a cool hoodie. I really like all the graphics and stuff. One thing that you should note about Antisocial Social Club hoodies, because they're printed on independent hoodies, or I don't know if it's just because it's independent hoodies, but it's the independent hoodie that they've picked. It's a really tight fit. It's a very fitted fit for a hoodie. It's not loose. You're not draping in it. You know, it's very much a fitted hoodie. Do I like it? Is it comfortable? Yeah, I would say so. It's definitely, independent hoodies is definitely one of my favorite samples to print on. I find them quite comfortable. And the print quality, I think it's pretty good. It's definitely sticking out. Oh, it's kind of weird that I'm doing that. But it is very cool. Like the print pops out. It's nice. It's very colorful. I really like even though it's all black, the antisocial coloring and stuff, even with the pink and stuff, it really pops. It's really nice. I hope that me giving those little pointers about how to tell if it's legit or not helps you out, if you are planning on buying one. But definitely, guys, let me know if you guys caught one. How did it go for you? Was the shipping really long? Let me know, you know, all those kind of details. But yeah, no, I love it. I think it's sick. I'll definitely leave some photos probably towards the end about what it looks like with the tags and stuff, because honestly my camera probably didn't capture it very well. So stay right until the end of the video, and I'll leave like 30 seconds or less for per image, so you can have an idea on how to legit check them. Thanks again to the Antisocial Social Club Reddit for explaining to me the whole idea about when you buy a new antisocial product, you're buying essentially a pre-order. Thank you for all that. And yeah, guys, this is it. This is the hoodie. This is sick. I love it. This is awesome. This is awesome. Yeah. But if you guys would like to help out this channel, help me out getting more of those, you know, cops and all that, definitely like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Definitely let me know if you guys managed to cop the 24Karats collab, what you thought of it. I think it's sick. I absolutely love it. I think this is awesome. But yeah, you guys, until the next video, I'll catch you next time.